Rule 1. Hold on. Turn over. Telerimeter gradually follow open. Come in. Karim. Sell it. Take count. Find the way. 6. So. MA. Rule 2. Business that Chris check the top 5. Sell 9 new cars. Sit down. Some need luck. Check casting. Let's make condition. Rule 4. Rule 4. Can't you do it? I let you know. Don't you like? Have you have 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 you? No, not yet. Did you see it? Could you tell? How did you like? Where did you send your check? Did you find your keys? Yes, you are. Bless you. Can you read yourself? Let him guard your car for you. How how's your family? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? When's your birthday?